When you have clients and customers across the globe, staying connected can be a big deal. At first, there were just a few calls. Until one day, there were hundreds and hundreds of calls from 50 diverse countries. That's a normal business with not so normal communication demands. Now that's where Callmama comes in. Introducing Callmama's international calling app. One app with many features which makes international calling as easy as calling next door. Additional features: call forwarding, call recording, call queuing, call analytics, security and backup, automatic updates, 24/7 quick support. Save time with call forwarding by redirecting calls from one phone number to another. Call queuing to manage incoming requests in a waiting line. Call analytics for data-driven insights through calls. Inbuilt security and backup features. 24/7 customer support and automatic updates through AI technology. Plus, it's like having a personal communication and assistance at 10 times less the cost of a personal assistance. Stay connected no matter how many international calls you need to make. We're here to assist you at every step of the way.